Hi everyone. Welcome back to another video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove the YouTube subscribe and like button green screen from your videos using Adobe Premiere Pro CC. First, let's import our footage into Premiere Pro and drag it onto the timeline. Now we need a green screen video. As you can see, we have a video here with the YouTube subscribe and like buttons in front of a green screen. We want to remove the green background and make the buttons look like they are part of the video. Next, go to the Effects tab and search for the Ultra Key effect. Apply the Ultra Key effect to our green screen footage, and then go to the Effect Control panel. Now change the key color. You can choose any color except green. Click the eyedropper tool to select the green color we want to remove. Let's see the magic. We've removed the green screen, the buttons look like they're floating in space. You can set the button position according to your choice. I am positioning this button at the bottom right corner. Let's play the video and check what's it look like. It looks good, but something is missing. We have to add some sound effect. You can download those sound effect form website where you get lots of royalty-free sound effects. Let's import button click sound effect. If you need this sound effects, please write down the comment below. And that's a wrap for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching and learned something new. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button so you never miss an episode. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.